Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your voice sound better in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I have added this video of a couple of horses, but that doesn't matter. I'll go straight into Fairlight, which is the second to right, second icon from the right. And as you can see, I have, made some audio. I have recorded my voice, which sounds something like this. There's a record button, and now just start talking, and then your program. And because it's a bit too quiet, I'll increase the gain a bit. Let me rewind it. There's a record button, and now just start talking. And that's pretty much what it sounds like. Now, to make this sound better, what I'm going to do is go directly into the audio, into the mixer, which is the track A1, and then go to the EQ, or in other words, the equalizer. You want to double click that, and then you'll get this equalizer here. And now I'll firstly go and drag this 5 node up into the left a bit, and I'll be playing the audio in the meantime so that you can actually hear the effects of it. There's a record button, and now just start talking, and then your program will record. And as you can see, it immediately sounds a bit better. However, we don't want these very high frequencies at the very end, so I'll change the band 5 to a diamond shape and reposition it somewhere here. I can scroll down to make it a bit wider. There's a record button, and now just start talking, and then your program will record all. So let's say that is the place I want to be. I'll also add band 6 and drag it a bit to the lower end so that, again, I eliminate those high frequencies, and it sounds something like this. Of your voice lines, and then once you're done, you can just... Oops, let me rewind that. There's a record button, and now just start talking, and then your... And that sounds pretty well, or pretty good. Now, what I'm also gonna do is I'm also gonna add a band 1 and make sure that these sort of lower frequencies, in case that I don't want the audio to boom too much, or I don't want it to sound muddy or too blunt, in other words, I'll just add that. There's a record button, and now just start talking, and then your program will record. And as you can see, it immediately sounds much better. Now, I'll just turn off the equalizer, play the audio, and in a certain part, I'll turn on the equalizer again so that you can see the difference. There's a record button, and now just start talking, and then your program will record all. And that's pretty much it. Now, you can play around with this however much you want. You can change the equalizer type, you can change the nodes or the bands, you can do whatever you want, but pretty much the equalizer is the place where you're gonna be editing your voice to make it sound better. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.